The Pixel 7a is generating a lot of buzz among tech enthusiasts, and for a good reason. Join us as we take a closer look at everything we know so far about Google's latest mid-range offering. Hey, and welcome back to Tech Pineapple. Google Pixel 7a is expected to be the successor of the last year's Pixel 6a, which was a hit among budget-conscious smartphone buyers. With Google's reputation for producing excellent cameras, clean software, and powerful hardware, the Pixel 7a has generated a lot of excitement among tech enthusiasts. While there haven't been any official announcements yet, we've gathered information from reliable sources and leaks to give you an idea of what to expect from this highly anticipated phone. So without any further ado, let's dive into everything we know so far about the Google Pixel 7a. Design. We can expect the Google Pixel 7a to follow the same design language as its predecessor, the Pixel 7. However, there are some rumors floating around about some surprises in the store. Some reports suggest that the Google Pixel 7a, which was previously codenamed Lynx, might feature a ceramic body, which would be a first for a Pixel device. This would be a significant upgrade from the plastic bodies with the previous A-series models have had. Although the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro use Gorilla Glass Victus on their displays and backplates, there is a good reason to believe these reports, as Google confirmed that its upcoming Pixel tablet will have a nano ceramic body. Despite the potential change in materials, early renders of the Pixel 7a show a phone that looks almost identical to the Pixel 7, with the same matte silver frame, glossy back, and two-camera setup. The Pixel 7a is reportedly almost the exact same size as the Pixel 6a, measuring 0.2mm taller, 1.1mm wider, and 0.1mm thicker. Google Pixel 7a leaks suggest that there will be both white and gray color options available. Additionally, a leak for new color options for the Pixel Buds Pro and Pixel A series hinted at a sky blue colorway, which may also have been an option for the 7a. However, given Google's love for bold shapes, we might see a brighter color option at release. In terms of design, an early unit of the Pixel 7a has been spotted, showcasing a design that is a cross between the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7. Specs. In terms of specs, the Pixel 7a is expected to be powered by the Google Tensor G2 processor, a 50-megapixel camera with a periscope lens, and a hole punch screen. It'll also support wireless charging with a low power of 5-watt chip suitable for charging earbud cases. Additionally, the Pixel 7a is rumored to come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, making it a great option for those looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone. Cameras. Let's talk about the cameras on the Google Pixel 7a. According to reports, the phone will have a 50-megapixel camera sensor, which is likely the same as Samsung GN1 sensor found on Google Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro. Additionally, two Sony IMX712 sensors are rumored to be included for ultra-wide shots and selfies. If these rumors are true, it means that the Pixel 7a's camera could offer nearly identical imaging quality to the Google Pixel 6, which is known for its exceptional camera performance. However, it's worth noting that an earlier report suggested that the Pixel 7a would also have a telephoto lens, which seems to be missing from real-world prototypes. As always, it's best to take these rumors with a grain of salt until we get official confirmation from Google. Software. Now let's talk about the software on the Google Pixel 7a. If you've used recent Pixel phone, you probably know what to expect when it comes to the software. The Pixel series provides a unique take on Android, with a focus on clean aesthetic and providing users with tons of AI-powered tools and features. The Pixel 7a is unlikely to break that trend, and the only question surrounding its software experience is whether it'll ship with the Android 13 or come out of the box with Android 14. Price and release date. Let's talk about the price and release date of the Google Pixel 7a. While there haven't been any reliable rumors yet, we can make some educated guesses based on the past trends. Google has been keeping the prices of their smartphones consistent, so if they follow this trend for the Pixel 7a, we can expect the price tag of around $449. A leaked roadmap containing plans for the next several Pixel generations seems to back this up. As for the release date, a leaked retail report suggests that the Pixel 7a will arrive in June, which is earlier than usual for the A series. However, given Google's tendency to leak details about their upcoming devices, we'll probably know more about the Pixel 7a in months leading up to its release. With the potential reveal at Google I/O 2023 just a few months away, we won't have to wait too long to learn all about this phone. And there you have it, everything we know so far about the Google Pixel 7a, from its design and specs to its cameras, software, price, and release date. We've covered it all. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button, and make sure to leave us a comment down below with your thoughts on the Pixel 7a. And if you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.